Hey Cooks, this is Amy, and I wanted to give you a little update on our container garden. We've done this for the second year in a row, planting peppers and herbs on our deck. And this is sort of our initial tryout stages because we are going to buy a farmhouse in the next couple years. And I have grown to discover that Eric has quite the green thumb. So we're going to take a look at our container garden then and now and see how it's progressing. So what's up? It's Wednesday and let's tour our container garden. So when we brought these plants home, they were just little bitty things. We got a lot of different varieties of peppers, bell peppers, Anaheims. We got the Big Berthas. We got herbs. We got thyme, and we already had some rosemary. So we got French and German thyme, and so we were ready to plant. So Eric got our soil and he mixed all kinds of fun stuff into the soil to make sure that these plants have the best possible start. We mixed them in this little cart. So we mixed and we mixed and we added our amendments to the soil. And then Eric mixed some more. And so everything was planted. They look a little small in these containers, but in no time they're going to get really big. So here's some of our peppers. We used the pots that we had last year, and we just reused those pots, and that saved us quite a bit of money. And so we were ready to go. And there's our little baby. So, in no time, now we have a lot of growth. So as of this time, the plants are growing amazing. And we actually have some fruit on here. We have about 15 peppers. So this is how they look then. They were so cute little babies. And now they're growing huge and they're starting to get covered with peppers. It's amazing. So that was then, little babies just waiting to grow, right? And this is now. They're starting to grow, they're starting to bear fruit, and we are so happy. So cooks, I hope you enjoyed looking at how the garden has grown. I am so proud of Eric because he really has put his heart and soul into helping these plants along, and I think we're going to have a great harvest this year. All this is in preparation for what's to come in the next couple of years, because we're going to be having a garden that is amazing as soon as we find the right farmhouse. So cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you had a great time watching this, and I hope everything is going well for you in these tough times. And just keep your chin up, because guess what? The weekend is coming and we get to cook. If you like this type of video, please subscribe below and visit me on my social media at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook, as well as on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy.